Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today I just bought a brand new pruner. I'm gonna be definitely trimming some plants, and after doing some research, I agree. After doing some research, came across this on Amazon. This is really cheap. It looks pretty good. I never used this one before. I'm gonna show you guys, open it right now, show you guys, and we're gonna put this to the test and see. So it's really small. Wow, it's really light, which is really good. And definitely look at it, look at the tip right there. Let's see if the camera focus. Oh, it looks pretty sharp. It's stainless steel. It's good for the plants, like if you have a garden like myself. Wow, that's easy. So snip. So this spring right here gives you definitely a good feeling. Then you close it, pop that back, all closed. Alright guys, so we're gonna test out this pruner and see how it is. So basically the main purpose of this is definitely when you're pruning the plants, or you need to cut off some piece, you got some bad parts. So this one is getting a little beat up, and you don't want to go in and start yanking it with your hands. Higher chance you could break the plant, or you could damage it or something. So we don't want to do that. So we're gonna come in like here, first cut. Let's come closer to show you guys. I'm gonna put no kind of pressure. Oh man, right here. Let's go. Wow. Now this thing cuts really nice, guys. The one that I had before it was too big. Like this is so skinny, it could fit in like the tight area, like right there, and it goes without holding or touching the plant. It just comes right off. I love this, guys. Like clean. I have to stop, guys, because I'm just gonna be cutting everything out. See that? Oh my god, it cuts so good. So this is a bad leaf right here. I don't like to have bad leaves, too much of them. So I'm just gonna cut it like there. Clip. Wow. Come right here. I'll show you guys a close. Right there. Close, very close cut. Wow, without even hurting the plant. So as you guys see, I have some ants, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to get rid of these guys. Let's cut it in. We're gonna cut a scallion with it. All right, let's see. Wow, now that's a clean cut. So far, guys, this is pretty cool. It's amazing. I love it. Small, handy little tools. You're in the garden world, or you're now starting off, guys, you want to get your hands on these because they come in handy for cutting weeds, pruning the plants, or anything. Guys, link in the description box. I got this from Amazon. I'll leave every details and everything in the description box, and you guys could check it out. And don't forget, guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also give thumbs up if you like the video. Stay tuned for more video, guys.